of the officer based under sections 29, 30, 21B, 20B, 529.8 KTPS. As per the base, the format is the officer in charge of each police. He has made delegation that why he, along with other police personnel, were on the duty of conducting raid against the absconder varieties. By that time, they received information that few persons had assembled near a pace road and they were dealing with narcotics. On that information, the informant along with other police personnel reached there and two persons were apprehended. One named Amit Kumar and the other namely Ramapova. And from the possession of Amit Kumar, 18 grams of brown sugar is said to have been recovered, and from the possession of Rahul Kumar, 100 grams of ganja was recovered. They both confessed that the other persons who were 12 in numbers, who managed to flee away from their place of address was this petitioner along with other 11 persons. But the true persons on whose confession the name of this petitioner has transpired have been charted with White's DA number 1172 of 2025 direction 2 is the order from whose position 18 grams of brown sugar was recovered, and BA number 1081 of 2025 from whose position 100 grams of ganja was recovered. They have been granted with, and on their confession, the name of the petitioner and others have been transferred with.
They are really about it for me.
No.
Body capture for two criminal activities. Similar. Adam, you don't know criminal antecedent है ना?
No.
130 of 2024, 149 of 2024, और एक ये है. This one is 146 सब बैठे. वो लगता है कि साथी साथी और सबको पाल समय
उसी ईयर का बाहर तो जेल में ना तो नहीं हो गया.
or the Lenitansis appearing on behalf of the parties. The Leni Council for the petition was submitted that the petition have been falsely implicated in this case, and he is in custody since.
Please, you custody since 16/12/25.
In 16/12/2020. The Leni Council said the name of the petitioner has transpired in the confession statement of co-accused. But there is no recovery from the possession of the petitioner. Which means that while the petitioner was in custody, he has been remanded in the presence. Petitioner was in custody in connection with other case. He has been remanded in the presence. He has further submitted that the co-accused persons had confessed the guilt, and there was also recovery from them have been environment B by this court in PA number 1172 of 2025 Amit Kumar by the order dated 30/2/25, and in PA number 1081 of 25 namely Ramit Kumar by the order dated 10/2/25. Also, further state has opposed the prayer by submitting that the petitioner has two criminal antecedents. One is of 13/10/24, the other is of 27/11/24, and the present case is of, इसका date कब का है?
11/11.
11/11. However, she does not dispute that his name has transpired in the confession statement of co-accused, and there is no recovery from after hearing the Leni Council for the parties, considering the fact that the co-accused persons from whom there is recovery and in whose name the name of the petition has transpired has been enlarged on bail, and further there is no recovery from the petitioner in the present case, the petitioner is directed to pay much one day.